Uline manual lift tables are ideal for transporting, positioning, and lifting materials in shipping departments, stockrooms, and repair shops, where safe, convenient access to products and materials is essential. They enable operators to position heavy loads at safe and convenient heights for loading and unloading materials, preventing back sprain and injury. With weight capacities up to 1,760 pounds and multiple adjustable table heights, these durable lift tables can handle the most demanding requirements. They feature durable, smooth, rolling polyurethane casters and 2 locking casters that keep loads safe and steady when loading and unloading product. The foot-operated hydraulic pump lifts the load to the desired height, and the easy-release hand lever lowers the table when required. The internal overload bypass valve prevents loads from being lifted up if they are too heavy and could cause damage to the table. Safety stops included on both models securely hold the tabletop in place when performing routine maintenance. Uline manual lift tables are available in multiple models. Standard lift tables can raise heavier loads to varying heights based on the model, and they feature table platforms in various sizes, allowing larger loads to be easily raised. Double scissor tables allow loads to be lifted higher for easier stocking. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.